You're watching a Love Jack video, where I show you how to create, share, and connect through art.
This is Make Art Tomato.
With just a few supplies and some time to sit and connect, we will show you how to make a handmade card that is sure to put a smile on someone's face. We believe that art has the power to make you happy. So, let's make some today and mail some happiness to a friend.
This month's creative challenge is rainbows. You will need cardboard, a bowl,
About 6 inches in diameter,
markers in rainbow color, a pencil, a Sharpie, cotton balls, glue, and a scissor.
For this card, we are going to make it a postcard, and I decided to use cardboard because I thought it would be a little extra sturdy this time. We are going to make a rainbow postcard. So let's start by getting the curve down. Trace your bowl about 3/4 of the way around. Now I'm just going to freehand some clouds. Now, cut it out. Cardboard is a little bit trickier to cut than regular paper. This would be a fun one to do with your kids. Georgia, you want to help? So for the circle, for the bottom, I'm just gonna cut out a little arch. Georgia, do you know the colors of the rainbow?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. 7 colors. But it could be 6 if you skip indigo. I usually skip indigo, but it's just dark blue. It's just another name for that.
Now I'm gonna go back and erase all my pencil marks.
Yeah.
Just so they don't show through the markers.
Can I help?
Mm-hmm. So now we're just gonna color it in, starting with red. Gonna follow the outside.
Yeah, you start with red. But you have to do it on the outside. But if it's not thick, it will get blended in with the orange.
Yes.
And then the orange will get blended in with the yellow. And then it will all be like a red, orange, yellow color.
Okay.
And you have to make sure you color in all places.
Do you want to do the orange?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so try to just follow that line. Here's what I'm gonna have.
But it's okay if it's a little thicker than the color before it.
Yeah. The point of this is just to have fun and make your friends smile when they get this in the mail.
Yeah.
And even if it's not perfect, wouldn't you be so excited if that came in your mailbox?
Yeah. Like how, like, it would be really cool if you got, like, you opened your mailbox and you had a rainbow.
Yes.
But it's okay. See, the yellow and the brown are mixing together, but it's fine. See how after I colored it, it like dried and turned like yellow, so that's what will happen with that.
Cool. Good job. What comes next?
Green. And I think this will dry out just like the yellow did, so I can see it. And see, like I went over the blue a little bit, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's totally okay. Who should we mail this to?
Mama.
Does Mama like rainbows?
Yeah.
Does anybody not like rainbows?
No.
Everybody likes rainbows, right?
The purple's the easiest color because even if you have a lot of room left, you just have to put the purple all the way to the end.
Great job, Georgia.
And that's why you should have one of these under, because see,
Yeah.
got some of it on this.
Save your table a little bit. Now, we're gonna do the clouds.
Yeah. With pom-pom.
Cotton balls.
I mean, cotton balls or pom-pom?
Cotton balls. You could use pom-poms too.
Yeah.
We're gonna use combos. Okay, so I'm gonna cover the whole thing with glue. Okay, so once you get it covered with glue, I'm gonna take it, because we're mailing it, we're gonna pull this out. So pull this out so that it's like
this.
Yeah.
So it ends up like cotton candy.
Ooh,
What?
I like that analogy.
What's an analogy?
It means something's like something else, so you help compare it. Okay, ready?
That one's like a little bigger. But it's okay if one's a little bigger than the other.
Totally.
Because see, it's a little bigger.
Yeah. The goal isn't perfection, the goal is fun.
Yeah. And also, the goal is also to make whoever you're sending it to happy. Because it would be really fun to get a rainbow in your mailbox. Mom?
Yeah, come on.
Who needs some of this? Because you're touching a lot of craft stuff. You need some hand sanitizer. But we got wipes. Judy, how about try using this? Just a little bit. Mom, you need some?
I'm good, Cameron. Thank you, though. I'm good a little bit. Thank you. That's good. Thank you.
Okay, and this is how your rainbow should turn out when you're done.
Voila! Okay, now do you know how to make it postcardy?
Yeah.
You flip it over,
You flip it over.
and then draw a line down the back.
But yeah. But if it's with cardboard, it's okay if you use Sharpie because it won't go exactly through the
Yes. Good tip. Since we're using cardboard, we can use a Sharpie because it won't go through.
Yeah, but if you use paper, you have to use a pencil because if you use a Sharpie, it'll ruin it on this side and you'll have to start all over.
Yeah. Have you been watching my other videos?
Yes.
Nice. Okay, now we're gonna make
And
a
what's
couple.
the one with emojis? I thought there was supposed to be 4.
How many you want to make? 4?
Uh-huh.
Make another one down here. This will be for the address.
I was about to say that.
Now we gotta put a stamp on there.
Yeah.
We're gonna use these Celebrate stamps because they're kind of rainbowy and they're smaller, so it will fit in that top corner. Done. Now you have all this room to write your message.
You can write your message here, or if you may have extra, or you can draw extra lines, and then that's where you can write. Or if you have extra of these, you can write on that.
Cute.
So,
This video is dedicated to
Conroy. He's my brother. I mean, he's the best brother. He has a good haircut. He's a Southern gentleman, and he's really cute. And he's the best brother in the world.
and we love him so much. Conroy, thanks for being the best brother and the best son and the best friend there is. And thank you for watching.
And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.
All right, guys, have a fantastic week.
Bye.
Now I like to take all the supplies and line them up so that I can take a picture.
Or you can line them all up, take a picture, and then next time you want to make it for someone else, you can just find the picture. Or if you want, you can write it down. Or you can memorize it.